Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to make aesthetic notes on Android phone. Here are the steps to make aesthetic notes on an Android phone using note-taking apps like Samsung Notes, Google Keep, or third-party apps like Notion, Good Notes, or Evernote. First, choose the right app. Use an app that supports formatting and visuals. For example, Notion, Samsung Notes, Evernote, or Good Notes. Install the app. Once installed, go ahead and tap on Open. Create a new note or page. Open your chosen app and tap the plus or new note in the bottom right corner to start fresh. Pick a soft or minimal theme. Use dark mode, pastel colors, or minimal themes if available in the app's settings. Give your note a catchy title. Now back to our notepad. Use capital letters, emojis, or cute dividers like weekly study plan. Use headings or subheadings. Add bold titles, italic subheadings, or colored text to organize content neatly. Add bullet points or check boxes. Use clean bullet points or check boxes for lists, aesthetic, and organized. Highlight important info. Use highlighters, bold font, or colored text for key points or codes. Insert images or stickers. Add inspirational photos, aesthetic images, or in Keep Notes app, use digital stickers to visually enhance your notes. Use handwriting or drawing tools. In apps like Samsung Notes or Keep Notes, use a stylus or finger to draw doodles or highlight with aesthetic brush pens. Apply soft background colors or templates. In Keep Notes, choose pastel colored backgrounds or line templates to make it look neat and soothing. Organize with folders or tags. Create folders like school, ideas, or brain dump to keep your aesthetic notes organized. Bonus tip: follow note design inspo from Pinterest, TikTok, or YouTube using terms like aesthetic, digital notes. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.